10 powerful ways to get men to approach you naturally and confidently. Try these proven tips. Attracting men isn't about luck. It's about understanding the subtle signals that draw them in. Many women wonder why men don't approach them, even when they feel they are doing everything right. The truth is, small adjustments in your behavior, body language, and energy can make a massive difference. If you're tired of waiting and want to be the kind of woman men can't resist approaching, you're in the right place. Here are 10 powerful ways to make men notice you and take that first step. 1. Don't let your friends block you. Imagine this. You're out at a bar or cafe, looking great, feeling confident, and hoping someone interesting will approach you. But there's one problem. You're surrounded by a tight-knit group of friends. While having a social circle is wonderful, men often feel intimidated approaching a woman buried in conversation with her friends. To fix this, make yourself approachable. Step slightly away from the group from time to time. Give potential suitors the opportunity to make eye contact without feeling like they have to interrupt a private conversation. When you're with friends, don't form an impenetrable circle. Keep open body language to invite interaction. 2. Avoid large groups and leave the men at home. Men rarely approach women who are in large groups or accompanied by other men. If you're always out with male friends, a potential suitor might assume you're already taken. The same goes for large groups of girlfriends. Most men won't risk walking into a crowd to single you out. Instead, go out with 1 or 2 female friends. Smaller groups are far less intimidating and make it easier for men to strike up a conversation without fear of rejection in front of an audience. 3. Looking your best. It's all about the little things. Attracting attention doesn't mean dressing provocatively. It's about looking polished and feeling confident in your appearance. When you take care of yourself, whether that's having a great hairstyle, wearing flattering clothes, or simply smelling amazing, you exude a magnetism that draws people in. Confidence is the key. Wear something that makes you feel incredible. A simple pop of red, whether in your outfit, lipstick, or accessories, can subtly signal attraction. Even good posture makes a difference. Stand tall, keep your shoulders back, and move with grace. Men notice these details. 4. Take the initiative. You don't have to sit back and wait for men to approach you. A simple smile, a glance, or even a small comment can be all it takes to encourage a man to make his move. If you're interested in someone, don't be afraid to initiate conversation. It doesn't have to be complicated. Compliment his watch, ask for his opinion on something, or casually mention something about the environment you're both in. Men often hesitate because they fear rejection. If you give them a small sign that you're open to talking, they'll feel more comfortable approaching. 5. Give him an opening. Most men aren't mind readers. If you seem completely preoccupied with your phone or avoiding eye contact, they might assume you're not interested. Instead, create an inviting atmosphere. Turn your body slightly in his direction, maintain open body language, and avoid crossing your arms. If a man is glancing your way and hesitating, make it easier for him. Hold eye contact for just a second longer and smile subtly. Those tiny cues can make all the difference. 6. Nothing is sexier than eye contact. Eye contact is one of the most powerful tools in attraction. A lingering glance followed by a subtle smile can be all it takes to make a man feel compelled to approach you. The key is balance. Too much staring can come off as intimidating, while avoiding eye contact entirely can make you seem uninterested. Lock eyes for a moment, break away, and then glance back again. This sends a clear signal that you're interested without being too obvious. 7. Don't forget to smile. A genuine smile is incredibly inviting. When you smile, you appear warm, friendly, and approachable. A resting face that looks too serious or closed off can unintentionally make men think you're not interested in conversation. When you're out in public, be mindful of your expression. Even if you're not actively talking to someone, maintaining a pleasant demeanor can make a huge difference. Smiling signals confidence, positivity, and openness, all traits that make men want to engage with you. 8. Embrace your sexuality. Confidence in your femininity is attractive. This doesn't mean you need to act in a way that isn't natural to you. Instead, it's about being comfortable in your own skin and exuding self-assurance. Flirt subtly, play with your hair, lean in slightly when speaking, or lightly touch your collarbone when laughing. These small gestures highlight your feminine energy and can be incredibly alluring. The goal is to be playful, not forced. When you genuinely feel confident and attractive, others will pick up on that energy. 9. Radiate positivity. Men are naturally drawn to women who exude positive energy. If you constantly complain, seem disinterested, or appear distracted, it can be a turn-off. On the other hand, being engaged, laughing, and showing enthusiasm for life makes you magnetic. The energy you bring into a room is contagious. Be the woman who brightens the atmosphere, and people, especially men, will naturally gravitate toward you. 10. Be playful and laugh often. Laughter is a universal signal of warmth and approachability. When you're having fun, people want to be around you. A playful, light-hearted attitude makes you much more attractive than someone who seems serious or guarded. Tease playfully, joke around, and enjoy the moment. Men love women who can laugh and make them feel at ease. When you embrace a fun and carefree energy, you become someone they want to approach and get to know. Final thoughts. Attracting men and making them feel comfortable approaching you isn't about playing games. It's about being open, confident, and inviting. When you adjust your mindset, body language, and energy, you create an irresistible presence. The key is authenticity. Don't force yourself into a persona that doesn't feel right for you. Instead, refine what naturally makes you attractive. Stand tall, smile, and give the right signals. The right men will take notice, and they'll be more than happy to make the first move. Try these tips next time you're out, and watch as the opportunities come rolling in. If you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell, so you don't miss any new videos. Let us know your thoughts about this video in the comment section down below, and feel free to stay and enjoy it until the end. Also make sure to check out our next highlighted video, and we will see you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe.